Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. Today I'll be discussing to you all about everything that's happened. Everything that we went through in regards to like chapter five, right? Right in our chapter five. Now, so what we have here is something called jumbotron component. Jumbotron components. You know what I mean? Right. So yeah. So register service worker ratings, the JSX products products.jsx, then products.js. So we pretty much went over all of that. So Jumbotron components .jsx. So yeah. So what we have here is import React components from React, import card button from React Bootstrap, class Jumbotron components, extends component render return, then main card wrapper for spacing and light background, card class name, custom jumbotron light section, then div class name, light rounded, then bootstrap container for proper padding and layouts, class name, container fluid, py5 tile section class name, display 5 reacts in bootstrap, so subtitle description text, class name, this is the products page from chapter 5, then call to action button, then button variant, primary size, then size LG, learn more, then button, then export default Jumbotron components, so on and so forth. App.test.jsx to import React from React, import render.screen, screen from at testing library React, import app from dot, slant app. So test renders at least one reading heading, then render app. Check that any heading contains the word reading is in the comment, then const reading heading equals screen dot get by text, then ratings I expect ratings heading to be in the document, so on and so forth. Right, so then import React Jumbotron components, Jumbotron component import products from products, then import container from React Bootstrap, then class app extends component render return main layout container with top margin for spacing, then container class name, top Jumbotron section, Jumbotron components, products list section, Jumbo bottom Jumbotron section, then Jumbotron component container, and then main.jsx and so on and so forth. Then import React from React, import React DOM from React DOM client, then import Bootstrap this CSS bootstrap.min.css, then import index.css, then import app from dot slash app, then React DOM dot create routes document get element by ID, routes.render. So React does strict mode app, then React does strict mode. So that's pretty much what we have there. And then yeah, let's go over to React app. So what you have here is React and Bootstrap. So this is the products page from chapter 5. Then learn more. So this is pretty much what we had in our chapter chapter 3 then 4. So then you got our ratings once, what we went through before. We went through this shanties before, man. We went through that before. Then Reacting Bootstrap, this is the products page from chapter 5. And then learn more. Then learn more. This is the products page from chapter 5. Then React and Bootstrap. Right, so that's pretty much what we have here. Then reload page. Then localhost client main.jsx index.css app.jsx so on and so forth. So manifest.json. Right, so that's pretty much what we've got here. So that's pretty much what we. So here's the bootstrap as well. You know what I mean? So manifest.json, localhost client, bootstrap dot main.css, then main.jsx. At React dash refresh env.mjs, then React underscore JSX dash dev that runtime.js. And then yeah, I mean that's pretty much what we have here. I mean that's pretty much what we've got here. You know what I mean? That's pretty much what we have. So 150 random equals 3. Yeah. And then you got editing debug there, 2000 ms, 6000 ms, 8000 ms, 10,000 ms, 12,000 ms. So this is pretty much the speed in which everything gets deprecated, then pretty much get reciprocated and deprecated, or the speed in which everything, pretty much gets turned from like our info to data. So that's pretty much what we're dealing with here. So that's pretty much what we had. That's pretty much what we've got here. So thank you very much, everyone, for pretty much. So that's pretty much what we're dealing with here. Until next time, take care, God bless, and I'll see you in the next chapter, chapter 7. So that's pretty much what happened. I was thank you very much. Till next time, take care, Lord bless and thanks.